Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on Scheduled Bank and Non-Scheduled Bank in India. Scheduled Bank refers to any bank included in the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. These banks satisfy the eligibility criteria and conditions specified under Section 42 of the Act. निर्धारित बैंक स्केड्यूल्ड बैंक वो बैंक होता है जिसे भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक अधिनियम 1934 की द्वितीय अनुसूची में शामिल किया गया हो। ये बैंक अधिनियम की धारा 42 में निर्धारित योग्यता मानदंडों और शर्तों को पूरा करते हैं। की फीचर्स ऑफ शेड्यूल्ड बैंक्स। Scheduled banks in India possess the following important characteristics. Inclusion in RBI schedule. Must be listed in the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Minimum capital requirement. Required to maintain a minimum paid up capital of 5 lakh rupees. Cash reserve maintenance. Obligated to maintain the cash reserve ratio CRR with the RBI. Access to RBI borrowing. Eligible to borrow funds from the RBI at the prescribed bank rate for routine banking operations. Clearing house membership. Automatically entitled to become members of clearing houses. Regulatory oversight. Operate under strict regulation and supervision by the RBI. Safety and returns. Considered secure institutions and generally offer stable returns to depositors. Deposit insurance. Customer deposits are insured by DICGC up to 5 lakh rupees, including principal and interest. Examples includes most commercial banks, nationalized banks, foreign banks, regional rural banks, and scheduled cooperative banks. Non-scheduled banks are banks in India that are not listed in the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 and therefore do not fulfill the criteria specified under Section 42 of the Act. गैर निर्धारित बैंक इन नॉन शेड्यूल्ड बैंक्स वे बैंक होते हैं जो भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक अधिनियम 1934 की द्वितीय अनुसूची में शामिल नहीं होते। इसलिए ये बैंक अधिनियम की धारा 42 में निर्धारित पात्रता मानदंडों को पूरा नहीं करते। की फीचर्स ऑफ नॉन शेड्यूल्ड बैंक्स। Non-scheduled banks have the following notable characteristics. Not listed in RBI schedule. They are not included in the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Lower capital base. Typically operate with reserve capital less than 5 lakh rupees as no specific minimum capital requirement applies. CRR maintenance. They may retain their cash reserve funds with themselves since the RBI does not mandate depositing CRR with it. Limited access to RBI borrowing. They cannot borrow from the RBI for routine operations and may receive assistance only under emergency or exceptional situations. Fewer privileges. They do not enjoy various facilities available to scheduled banks, such as clearinghouse membership. Lighter regulation. Subject to less stringent oversight and reporting requirements compared to scheduled banks. Lower safety level. Generally considered less secure due to smaller size and limited regulatory privileges. Nature and examples. Usually small, localized institutions such as certain primary urban cooperative banks, UCBS, and local area banks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.